quick note about removing the dash pad here. So obviously under the dash pad, you've got these screws that go in. There's a couple of them, 1, 2, 3, and 4 across the bottom of the dash pad. But when you're doing a restoration, you can actually get access to the underside. Right there, you'll notice there is a bolt on the underside with a nut. Well, this underside nut here is what holds the dash pad onto the top. If you don't have access to that, especially with the gauge cluster and stuff out, it's going to be difficult to get to. So you're going to see that there's going to be a couple more across up underneath there as well.